Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete folders in AOL Mail using your phone. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open AOL Mail on your phone, or else you can download AOL if you don't have one. What you need to do is tap on Inbox, which you see on the left hand side. After you tap on Inbox, tap on it again, scroll a bit down and you can see some of your folders. In order for you to delete your folder, you must go ahead and tap on the folder you want to delete. As soon as you tap on it, you can see this drop down menu which has rename, delete and create subfolder. If you want to rename your folder, you can tap on rename, and if you want to create a subfolder within this folder over here, you can tap on create subfolder. For now, I'm going to teach you how you can delete it. So what you need to do is open AOL, go to Inbox and tap on Inbox once again. Now scroll all the way down and find folders. I want to delete this folder over here, so I'll just go ahead and tap on it and click on delete. After you do so, it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this folder? Go ahead and click OK. And if you go back to your inbox, you can see that this folder has been deleted. So what you need to do is tap on the folder which you want to delete, click delete and press OK. This way, the folder in AOL Mail will be deleted. I hope this video about how you can delete folders in AOL Mail on your phone was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.